Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I am here to unbox the August 2024 Beauty Heroes box. So I just got back from our trip today. We were actually in Cape Cod for a week, which was wonderful. And I didn't see any spoilers for the box. And then I get the box today and it has, I'm going to cover my address for safety, of course, but it has this plastered across it, which says Inner Sense, Beauty Heroes and Inner Sense. And I'm like, well, I guess I know what brand it is. They've never done that before. I don't know if this is, I saw like the header of the email accidentally. My husband, I had asked, I gave him my phone. I was like, can you move the Beauty Heroes email? I wasn't specific enough. So he like moved one Beauty Heroes email that I got and not the one that announced the box. So when I was checking my mail, it said Beauty Heroes, something like biggest box yet. I don't know if this was like 10 years or something. I don't know. But I thought their anniversary was in September for like their every year anniversary. It said something about this being the biggest box yet and 4 items. So I was like, whoop, and I just swiped it because it didn't say the brand in the title. So I was like so excited thinking I didn't know the brand, and then I got the box and here it is. So I was kind of bummed because I wanted to be surprised when I opened the box. So I guess it's Inner Sense. So let's check it out. Let me say, let's open the box first. Okay. It's Inner Sense. What have I used of theirs? I do absolutely love their scalp scrub. It's like a scalp or body scrub. I love it for a scalp scrub. I would repurchase it in the future, so I would be pretty happy if this was in here, but I know they've given it before, so probably won't be. I've used their shampoo and conditioner, which I liked very much. And I use their, oh, you know what? No, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. The scalp scrub I love is Nature of Things, not Inner Sense. The Inner Sense scalp scrub is the one that's pepperminty, and I'm not a big fan. I have used the different, there's 2 different hair masks they have. One is like a detox one for your scalp and everything. I could take that or leave it. And then they have like a deep conditioner one, which I'll use occasionally just for like kicks. I think that might be everything. So I think I've used their shampoo, conditioner, detox hair mask, scalp scrub, and deep conditioner, if I didn't already say that. So let's just see what we have here. We have 4 products. Looks like a nice thing here. This is their new body care collection, a complete range of 4 products. Cool. All right, let's check it out. Let's start here. We have Inner Sense Body Care. This is, ooh, a blissful body butter. Deep hydration for all skin types. I love getting moisturizers and oils, so I'm excited about this. I wasn't totally excited when I saw it was Inner Sense, so, but I do like getting body and hair care products and stuff, sometimes to like switch things up. So it says deep hydration for all skin types. So that's what the package and the container looks like. I forgot to show you what the box looked like. Sorry. The item I just took out was right. Oh, okay, bad idea. Oh my gosh, it's like 9 p.m. So, you know, I'm tired. Okay, here we go. Looks like we have hair products. Oh, wow, I'm surprised. Maybe none of this is hair. Wouldn't that be funny? Okay, we have Awaken Body Wash, a hydrating cleanser. So a body wash, body cleanser. Fun. I am not a huge fan of liquid body soap, but I'll use it if it's given to me. In general, I really love bar soaps. And then we have Inner Sense Body Care Renew Body Lotion. So we have a body wash and a body lotion, and then we have a body butter. So we're going to be very moisturized after this experience. And let's see what our last product is here. We have Inner Glow Body Scrub. Ironically, I don't exfoliate frequently, but I've been doing it more in the summer. And I actually just finished a body scrub on my vacation. So I was like very proud of myself. So this is kind of exciting. I also feel like I need it more in the summer. My skin is more out. I feel like my knees have been really dry lately, which is like a new thing to me. I don't know. Just like my knees look dry and like kind of weird. I don't know why, but I was trying to exfoliate that and like, you know, whatever. I don't know if it worked, but anyways, exfoliating enzyme body scrub. Okay. So somehow when I read new body care collection, my mind still went to shampoo and conditioner, which is silly. Okay, so let's discover what's inside. We have, it says, what's good for the hair is good for the whole body. The Body Care collection features many of the tried and true natural actives that are proven to rejuvenate, soothe, and hydrate the strands, scalp, and skin. Each product is formulated with the Vita Revive Trio, a harmonious blend of vitamins B5, C, and D that brightens, boosts, and retains moisture for plump, radiant skin. Incorporate this month's discovery into a slow body ritual that inspires appreciation for your whole and complete self. So the first one featured is the Inner Glow Body Scrub, and this is 6.7 ounces, pretty big, $38. It says, from that lit from within glow, look no further than the Inner Glow Body Scrub, a concentrated physical and enzymatic exfoliant that reveals your healthiest skin. Infused with willow bark extract and fruit acids, it gently buffs away dead skin cells, stimulating cell turnover for perfectly polished skin. A delicate aroma of Calabrian, bergamot, jasmine, and neroli lights up the senses. I have a body scrub that was featured in a previous box from Blue Alchemy, and I love that body scrub. It smells so good. I love it. I think it's probably the best one I've ever used. So I'm curious as to like the grit in this and the scent of it, because that's the fun part, you know? Let's see. Seems super subtle, the scent. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of interesting looking. I'm going to just put a little bit on my hand here. I don't know how interesting that is to look at, but we're doing it. So it just looks like a nice little grit. Quite, you know, it's funny. I always use like the term spa-like, but I don't know what exactly I mean when I say that, but I know it. It smells like a spa to me. It smells like luxurious and like a spa, and it is, it's funny. It feels, the grit feels a lot like sand. Like you could see it there. Like, and I was just spending a lot of time at the beach, and it happens to feel very like the sand. It's like a sand like grit. It feels sticky too. Anyways, the scent is very pleasant. So this is a big scrub if you're into exfoliating your body, which obviously you need more, right? Because your body is like a bigger mass than you're a bigger, is that the word? Not mass. Can't think of the word because 9 p.m. Maybe I'll think of it. Hopefully you know what I mean. Bigger is good for your body. Okay. Moving on. We have Awaken Body Wash, 8.4 ounces for $28. Awaken to limitless joy with Awaken Body Wash, a gentle cleanser that leaves skin feeling clean and nourished, never dry. Avocado oil and chufa milk gently exfoliate, deeply moisturize, and soften skin, while the invigorating aroma of Meyer lemon, eucalyptus, and frankincense revitalizes your morning routine, turning it into a mindful ritual. I'm excited to smell this because those smells sound so good. I think whenever I hear citrus, I get excited because I love like invigorating scents. Nice. Not super heavy aroma, but ew, I already just spilled some there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm like, no. It smells good. Like I said, not like a heavy scent, but I'm just going to put some on, so on my hand. Excuse me, I just got an itch right in my eye, and I did not want to itch my eye with my soapy hand. All right, so that's where we're at with the body wash. I'm sure you didn't need to see that, but super subtle super subtle scent or smell. So it'll be fun to use that. Sorry, and I have like a cough developing or something, so that's why I sound dry. I'm just, you know, a mess. Okay, Renew Body Lotion. 8.4 ounces for $30. Replenish and renew with Renew Body Lotion, a lightweight yet deeply moisturizing lotion that boosts hydration and elasticity for all skin types. Infused with pea peptides and organic cocoa butter, it provides an infusion of antioxidants and a veil of skin barrier protection, resulting in improved skin texture and tone. The subtle aroma of lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood is calming, not cloying. It's fun that we have a body lotion and a body butter. I can almost not smell anything. Interesting. Subtle aroma. It says lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood. So I'm just going to put a little on my hand. My hands are getting a little full with all this. But anyways, I just put it right there. Just wanted to see if I rubbed it in a little. I barely smell anything. I don't know. Maybe I'll smell it more when I use it. I got nothing there. So it's definitely not cloying, as they say. And finally, we have the Blissful Body Butter, which is 6.7 ounces for $42. Butter yourself up with Blissful Body Butter, a decadent formula that blankets your skin with antioxidant-rich ingredients, leaving it feeling soft, soothed, and supple. Mango seed butter and organic shea butter provide intense and long-lasting hydration, while the aroma of orange blossom, white rose, and vetiver creates an easy, blissful sensory escape. The descriptions all sound really nice. That's what it looks like. There's something so like kind of delicious, I feel like, about body butter. Like it looks whipped and like so good. Definitely has a little scent to it. I'm going to actually dip it on the cap here because there's some there. All right, so that's like the consistency we're looking at. Oop. I put it on my other hand because I already have two things on my left hand. So I'll just put it here. Smells nice. Cool. Feels nice. I have to wash my hands after this because I have some like exfoliant, some liquid body soap. That smells nice. Everything is subtle. It seems like a subtle, pleasant scents. So those are probably a lot more appealing to the masses than maybe sometimes like those scents from like Lilafox and stuff. When I think of scented products, I often think of Lilafox, and it's like, can be pretty polarizing, I think, sometimes. Sometimes it can be amazing and that's awesome. And then sometimes it can be not so amazing. Okay, so I think I was wrong when I mentioned it being like a anniversary box. I don't know. I thought the title of the email said something about, sorry, I was reaching for the paper, about something about like it being the anniversary. But I only read like the subject line briefly, so I probably just misunderstood something. And this is probably just the regular August box, and maybe September's box will be their anniversary one. That's normally what it is, so probably misspoke there. But I think this is fun. I've had some good luck with some of the Inner Sense products, and then the shampoo and conditioner. The other ones, like the hair masks and the scalp scrub. The scalp scrub was, I have a whole new one of it, and I will probably just force myself to use it because that's what I do. But I already know there's like a far superior product, in my opinion, with the nature of things, scalp scrub and body polish, whatever it's called. But I do like their shampoo and conditioner. And when I run out of like all other shampoo and conditioner I have, I would probably consider going to Inner Sense again. So, you know, I had good experience with that. So I'm interested to see how their body care line is, their new body care collection. So that's fun. It's exciting to get a collection of 4 products. I mean, I think when you break it down, if you get like a 6-month subscription, mine, when I've done the math, it comes out to about $40 per box. So for me, I feel like if this box comes to like $40 when it's all said and done with all these, you know, 4 products, full-size products with like clean companies, I think that's really actually a great deal. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Please click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments below about this box. I'm going to be using it this month, and I'm going to be excited to talk to you about my thoughts on it. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.